black. The story from the project, innocent black man. Let me be clear, damn man. The story from the project, innocent black man.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Small Account Challenge. Today is day number 134. As most of you know, yesterday we took a loss, so today I wanted to make sure we did not go into the weekend with a red day, especially knowing that I'm going away this weekend, so I couldn't stay here too long, so I had to get in and get out. I saw a couple setups, but nothing real crazy, so I grabbed the chump change and was out the door. Anyway, I'm going to tell you exactly how we pulled off the small green day, and today, midday market recap. Finally answering the question that many people who have subscribed to this channel have asked me: do I give training for these small account stuff? And I'm going to be starting that. First, I need to see if there's real interest in it. So in the comment section below, put the word interested, and then I know if people are really interested, because I know there are traders who don't have a lot of money and they would like to learn how to grow their small amount of money into a large amount of money and then take it on their own. Anyway, that's who I'm speaking to. All right, y'all, let's go over the trades from this morning. Only got into 3 trades. Like I said, I had to get in and get out because I got to be on my way. So I'm going away. So I had to, like I said, capture some chump change and keep it moving. And I didn't want it to be red. Anyway, let's pull the charts up. All right, cool. The first trade we got into, this one we did lose on. All right, and the last 2 we won on. Here we go. The candle that starts the market is a red candle, so I'm watching it. All right, cool. The very next candle opens up 30, closes at 35. It makes an upper wick and a lower wick. So you know what I did after that? Set the key levels, the top one and the bottom one, my intraday key levels. If the price action doesn't get above that key level, I'm not taking no trades. Or if it doesn't get below the other key level, I ain't taking no trades. So now I'm watching. That bad boy closes. The very next candle opens up 35, closes at 40. This bad boy breaks the lower key level, and I jumped in. But this time I purposely kept my guardrails real close because I wanted to front run this. Yesterday I got burnt. I know I was supposed to learn my lesson, but I really did. So I kept the guardrails real close, and it did reverse as the candle closed, and I only lost $1 because the guardrails were so close. Because I wanted to make sure that if it was gonna reverse, it wasn't gonna get me. So anyway, we lost on that trade. All right, cool. The very next trade was at 9.51 to the downside. All right, cool. Here we go. The candle that opens up at 40, closes at 45 is a red candle. I'm watching it now. It hits the key level, but doesn't break through. So now I'm watching. I said if it breaks through in the next one, we may have a trade. The very next candle opens up 45, closes at 50. This time I wait till the candle closes all the way. It closes all the way down here. I'm like, nice. All right, cool. The minute it closed, 9.51, I jump into the downside. 9.51 and 22 seconds, I ride that bad boy down. I get out on that lower wick, and that's our first trade, our second trade of the day, and our winning trade of the day. I'm like, all right, cool. Now we doing it right. I'm looking at the time, like, oh, Mike, it's almost time to go. Time to get out of here. Do what we need to do. All right, cool. On the very next trade, which was to the upside, that was at 10.03, the very last trade. Okay, cool. I'm watching. The candle that opens at 55, closes at 10 o'clock, is a green candle. I'm like, all right, cool. Let's see what we do, see what we do. The very next candle opens up 10 o'clock, closes at 10.05. I went to the upside. This one starts squeezing up. I jump in at 10.03 to the upside. I'm holding this. It closes. I'm like, all right, cool. If it can break through the key level that I originally set, this time acting like resistance, I'm going to be loving it. It breaks through that bad boy. I'm like, nice. I got 1 contract now. I'm like, all right, cool. As this candle closed, I add a contract. And on the very next candle, I hold order to the candle close. Boom. With the 2 contracts. And that's how we was able to pull up what we got today, the chump change. I took cheaper contracts because I didn't want to chance it. So that's how we finished today, y'all. Like I said, it was a light day. I didn't want to go into the weekend red. So we'll be back at this Monday for day number 135. Hope everybody have a great weekend. Don't forget, if you're interested in learning how to grow a small account, all you need is as little as $100, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Just put in the comments interested, and then I know, like I said, how many people we got in terms of interest, and I'll start making the content for that. And then, like I said, it'll be something that people who are interested in can go in there and dive in and get busy with. Anyway, y'all, that's all I got for you today. And we'll be back at this for Monday. All right, y'all. Peace.